all the clothes. The kids my age, when I was a kid like this, I never get bored. But the moment I'm bored, then I will say, okay, you go clean the kitchen. Wash the dishes. Hello! Padong namin sa mga sakyanan. Kay mga onbi. Asa ta? Where gonna eat, ate?
I forgot.
China?
Park.
China Park?
I don't know.
Bye-bye. Hey! Be careful.
No, come.
Hindi ko usap.
Kasi mo ikaw lang.
Jerky.
Ha?
Beef jerky.
Akatumbaka nga kuan? Pasyudad na po mi nagpasyudad. Eh nami kay ka on kuan Chinese kuan cuisine. At pumi sa China bar. Na dito ang chicken feet. Kalami.
Siomay.
Sa pa to?
Siomay.
Siomay. Okay. Si Cara nag-karaoke. Madahing dagang kayong tao kay naday duwa. Nasa stadium nay duwa.
Mga pub, di ba? Kung ano siguro na.
Sayo pa man. Kana duwa naman na no? Live na no? Sanchuro, Riley's favorite.
This is a box, right?
The China bar. Chak. Agoy, duckling. Peking duck. Paano mo pick up?
Yes, get it.
Can you get a cup? I'll give you. Get a cup. Really. 2 cups.
We can turn into city.
Sanchuro?